Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Gran Turismo. The Maserati Gran Turismo is the first modern two-door, four-seater coupe that delivers much more than its sensual body initially suggests and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, active suspension system, electronic stability control, heated front seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.